Hey guys, Vittorio from Eibach, and today we'll be installing our Pro Spacer system on my personal vehicle. To find a Pro Spacer for your vehicle, use the application lookup on eibach.com. For this vehicle, our Pro Spacers are available in 10, 20, 25, and 30mm sizes. We'll start by measuring the distance between the sidewall and the fender. For this vehicle, the gap is about 23mm, so we have the option of running our 10 or 20mm spacer. In my case, we'll be installing our 20mm spacer. So the Pro Spacer system will fill the gap from the fender and tire, and as well as giving me more clearance from my brake caliper to the wheel itself. Now we're gonna go ahead, put the car on the lift, take our wheels off, and install our Pro Spacer system. We got the car on the lift. As you can see, there's some rust on the rotor. We're gonna go ahead and clean that up with a wire brush, just to ensure that once we install the wheel spacer, that it'll sit flush against the rotor. Install the wheel spacer with the supplied hardware kit. This particular spacer is vehicle specific, so what this means is that it'll be hub centric and include hardware for proper installation. We're gonna go ahead and set the torque wrench to factory specifications. For this vehicle, it's 88 foot-pounds. And once we've done that, we're gonna go ahead and tighten the wheel spacers. With the wheel spacers torqued to factory specifications, we're gonna go ahead and put our wheel back on. And repeat the process on the other side. We just finished installing our Pro Spacer system on both sides of the vehicle. We're gonna go ahead and bring the car down so we can torque the wheels. And that completes our install of our Pro Spacer system. If you've got any questions about our Pro Spacers or any Eibach product, give us a call or visit eibach.com.